Dr. Brown here. Just want to show you one tongue exercise that we teach our patients. This is a simple one. Put your tongue to the roof of your mouth like this and open. Do this 10 reps. As you can see, it's a little bit pulling through here, but this helps with some of the swallowing problems that our patients have reported as they meet them. And I'll teach another one in just a minute here. Again, another exercise that will help with swallowing problems. Put your tongue to the left side of your palate, like this. Then move your lower jaw to the opposite side, to the right. So like this, and that. Do that 10 times. Then put your tongue to the roof of the mouth, to the right side, here, and go left. This is quite difficult, very confusing to do, but once you get it, it will help strengthen the muscles through the head neck region, which will help you with better swallowing. An exercise that helps when you're stressed or you wake up middle of the night and cannot sleep very well is this one. You plug the right nostril, breathe in through the left, hold and blow out through the right. I know it seems really silly, but this is a great way to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system and calm the entire body. This is really good when you cannot sleep, middle of the night you wake up. Do that 5 to 10 times. Again, breathe in on the left and breathe out through the right. Get all the air out. Focus on that 5 or 10 times. It should calm you down to get back to sleep. I would like to talk about a breathing exercise that we teach our patients these days. First, it's a very simple thing. You breathe in through your nose, out through the mouth. Pay attention to the chest cavity filling with air, and as you blow out, use your diaphragm, lower part of the chest, to make sure you blow out all the air. So here we go. So feel all the air go out. Again, do this exercise 10 times. It will help calm the entire body and stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system. You will feel more relaxed, definitely, when you do this.